Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change a bookmark URL in Google Chrome on your PC, especially after the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the gateway to all your favorite websites and bookmarks. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so to access all your saved bookmarks. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options for customizing your browsing experience. From this menu, click on Bookmarks and Lists, then select Show All Bookmarks. This action will open the Bookmarks Manager, where you can view all your saved bookmarks in one place. Now, it's time to find the specific bookmark you want to edit. Scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top of the Bookmarks Manager to locate it quickly. Once you've found the bookmark that needs a URL change, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. In this menu, select Edit. This will open up a small window where you can see the current URL of the bookmark. Here's where you can make your changes. Simply change the URL to whatever new link you want to save. Make sure that it's correct so that it leads you to the right web page when you click it in the future. After entering the new URL, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes, and there you have it. You've successfully changed a bookmark URL in Google Chrome on your PC. This simple process allows you to keep your bookmarks updated and relevant, ensuring that your browsing experience remains smooth and efficient. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also benefit from managing their bookmarks effectively. Happy browsing!